Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another topic. Today my topic is Candy brand induction cooker. It's showing FJ error code. You can see now after starting unit, it within few minutes it's showing FJ error. You can see here. This is the problem with this induction cooker. Now how we can resolve this issue, I will explain to you what is the problem exactly, and we will go to the next step. Now this is the situation actually with this cooker. If you are occurring the same issue at your home, Candy brand induction cooker, we are not able to repair. That's mean this error message we cannot reset nothing. Because of that, we have to check. First of all, we have to remove the machine from the pantry cupboard. After that, we have to remove that downside. Also, otherwise we can remove the ceramic glass. After that, we can find out main PCB control board. Most probably, actually, it's happening while customer cooking. At the same time, it's some water, something. Otherwise, the curry like that is shedding. It's spilling above the ceramic glass. At the same time, it's chance to go from the glass downside the PCB main control board area. Because of that, actually, is not at that time is not working properly, not realizing sensors and contactor. Because of that, only showing this error message FJ error. Now I will show you how to repair this one. For suppose I have to take it out the ceramic hob. We have to take it out from the pantry cupboard like that, from the downside like that we can take it out, but very careful. Now I can list up here. I will keep careful top of the pantry cupboard like that. Now after that, that is side screws are there. I can remove the side screws. Here is screws. Now here this side, that is the downside the ceramic glass. It is all four corners having two screws like that. We have to remove all the screws. Now I can take it out the glass. Very careful. Now you can check here. You can see here the main control board. As same I told you before, it is happening actually. It's some water or something. It is gone top of the main control board. Because of that only actually is showing error message. That's mean not realizing contactor. It is actually it's very complicated to repair. Because of that actually I'm decide to replace the control board. Now I have to remove the control board from here. It is downside for springs lock. Now you can see here it is actually, for suppose I have to remove the this guard, and after that also we have to remove the harness also. Now you can find out here it is locked. That's been actually control board guard, the front side, that one we have to release like that. Now you can see how to unlock that one. It is, we can do here this guard only. and after that very easily take control board out. Now you can see here the six relay contactors are there. It is already top of the here. It is oxided actually. Now you can see. Definitely, we have to replace the control board because it's not the repairable. It is we can repair, but it will take time. Also, it is little bit complicated. Because of that, actually, I'm going to replace the new control board. You can see here. This is the new control board, which is I'm going to replace. This is the same by the company. Same control board because this customer also very hurry to repair this one. Because of that only actually I decide to replace the control board now. This is the new control board. Now what I'm going to do, I will remove all the harness from the main control board. One by one I will remove. At the same time I will fix to the new board. Now here it is it will come 12 connectors. It is 12 connectors are here. This one also same, which is new one also. No any problem. Now I will disconnect all the connectors from the which is damaged from the damaged control board. At the same time I will fix. I'm going to fixing uh, to the new one because it will get changed. After that it will not working properly. Because of that it is very easy. I'm telling to you also, while you are replacing you have to do the same, otherwise because the main thing is it is all the wires colors are same. It's see it is the two colors. Because of that it is easy anyway. Now I will replace all the harness from old one to new one. Now I already connected all the connectors with the new PCB. Now it is done. Now I have to reinstall the mounting, the four mounting are here. I have to fix properly, otherwise control board it will shake. It should be actually properly we have to fix. Otherwise after closing ceramic glass is chance to go here and there. At that time it's not touching properly. Because of that very careful you have to fix mountings properly, also tightly. Just make sure it's properly you fix or not. Now after that this front guard we have to fix. It's like that. Also you have to fix anyway this one, otherwise it will go here and there. It's chance to come out from the mounting springs. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix The gasket also, one gasket coming here, and you can see here this old one. It is already, actually it is too much oxided, and this is the gasket which is we have to fix. This is for the safety for the main control board. That one we have to fix properly. Now you can see here the ceramic glass, actually it is upside down. The downside you can see something like a milk or something is shedding. It's already fell down. This is like a white color something. It's maybe coconut milk, otherwise milk, something else. Actually, it is filling. And that's why its control board already gone. Now I'm cleaning this one before fixing. Now after cleaning, I'm going to fix again as same before, ceramic glass. It's like that. I should be the proper balancing, adjustment, everything. Otherwise, while you touching, it's not touching touch button actually. Because of that, you have to fix careful. Anyway, after fixing all the screws properly, it will come proper fixed. Because of that, nothing to worry. You have to fix properly all the screws as same before. It's like that. Check properly, and now it's okay. Now you can fix all the screws. Now I already fixed as same before all the screws. Now I'm going to check again. I given power connection. Now we will check one time before fixing to the cupboard pantry. Now I'm increasing time. Here you can see here it is working properly, and also right front one. Yes, my dear, that one also working properly. Now actually nothing to worry because that error message is not occurring again, because I already fixed the new PCB control board, and that one also working. The left side first one and second one also. Yes, that one also working properly. Yeah, it's working properly. Now we can fix to the it's to the cupboard, pantry cupboard. Now here it's like that. It is showing is still hot because I checked. Because of that it's still showing H. That's been hot. See, you can see here. This is fourth burners. It's very hot because of that. Now I'm going to check with the water. One by one I check. It is whether error message is showing or not again. But no chance to come again. Anyway, we have to check properly. Now I'm increasing timing. You can see here it is working properly. I will check all the burners as same. Yes, my dear, I check all four burners. It is working fine, no any problem. My job already completed now. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.